Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with RAMONI. Let's get started in a comfortable cross-legged position. Slowly drop your head back. And now bring your head forward, tucking your chin in towards your chest. Again, let's drop the head back. And drop your head forward. Bring your right ear to your right shoulder now. Place your right hand on top of your head as you extend your left arm out to the side. And now switch directions. Let's make our way into a side body stretch, lifting that left arm up and over, maybe lowering down onto your right forearm for a deeper stretch and taking some circles with your left wrist. And now let's fold over that right thigh, extending both arms out in front of you. Come back into your side body stretch. And now let's go to the other side, lifting up and over with the right arm. Take some circles with your wrist. And now we fold over that left thigh. Come back into your side body stretch and back up to center. Let's make our way onto our belly, coming into our Sphinx pose. Arms are parallel, shoulders are right on top of the elbows. Shine your chest forward. Now drop your head forward, bringing your left ear to your left shoulder. Drop your head forward again, right ear to right shoulder. One more time, left ear to left shoulder. And right ear to right shoulder. Let's come into our upward facing dog, framing our hands around our chest, pressing into the palms, straightening the arms as much as you feel comfortable with as you drop your head back. And now let's look over our left shoulder and look over the right. Back to center as you lower back down, opening your arms wide into a T position. I want you to look to the left side of the room and now rotate your entire body so that your body is facing the left side of the room. And you can step your left foot back behind you if that feels comfortable, and you can also reach your left arm behind you. And come back to center. Now let's look over towards the right side of the room, turning your body to the right side. And remember, you can step that right foot behind you and you can reach that right arm behind you. Let's come back into our upward facing dog one more time. And now we make our way into a child's pose, sending the hips onto the heels. I want you to continue walking the hands forward, really stretching the arms, stretching the shoulders. And let's end class by taking a deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I hope that you really enjoyed class. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below, including classes that I teach outside of YouTube. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more classes, and I'll see you in the next one.